Understanding how to file for a DBA is essential for any business owner looking to operate under a different name. DBA stands for Doing Business As and allows you to conduct business under a name other than your legal business name. A DBA can also be called a trade name, fictitious name, or assumed name. If you want to operate under any name other than what you legally registered your business under, you'll need to file for a DBA. This filing allows you to perform financial transactions and operate under your chosen name, and you can even exclude legal endings like incorporated, corporation, or LLC, making your business name more marketable and memorable. It's important to understand that a DBA is not considered intellectual property, and it won't change how your business is taxed. However, it does provide transparency to customers about who owns the business and helps build brand recognition. For corporations and LLCs, a DBA offers the flexibility to pursue multiple ventures under separate identities. For sole proprietorships and partnerships, it simplifies opening business bank accounts. The legal business name of your company differs from a DBA. For sole proprietorships, your legal business name is your personal name, since it's a pass-through tax entity. In partnerships, the legal name is typically what's stated in your partnership agreement, often using the partner's last names. Corporations and LLCs choose their legal business name when filing state business registration, which must include designations like LLC or corporation. The DBA filing process varies depending on your business entity and location, but generally follows these steps. First, decide on your business name. You'll need to search if your chosen name is too similar to another registered business in your state. Certain words like incorporated or limited cannot be used in a DBA. Next, obtain a certificate of assumed name, typically available at your local county clerk's office. Then fill out the DBA form using black ink or typing the information. These forms are usually available from your Secretary of State's office. You'll need to include your company's legal name, phone number, the DBA name, business type, and entity type. After checking your form for accuracy, submit it with the filing fee, typically around $25, to your local county entity. Always pay with a check or online payment. Never send cash. Because accuracy is crucial, consulting with an attorney during this process can be beneficial. A DBA has important legal limitations. It's not a separate legal entity and provides no liability protection. It's simply a naming mechanism, not a legal shield. If you're a sole proprietor, your personal assets remain at risk, even with a DBA. Filing a DBA doesn't give you trademark rights, so someone in another state could use the same name. Additionally, a DBA doesn't change how your business is taxed. That's determined by your underlying business structure. If you need protection, consider forming an LLC or corporation first, then using a DBA under that entity if needed. There are situations where you might not need a DBA. If you're a sole proprietor operating under your legal personal name, like Jane Doe instead of Jane's Design Studio, you typically don't need one. Similarly, if your LLC or corporation conducts all activities under its legal registered name, a DBA isn't necessary. Some states or counties might not require DBAs, though you should always confirm local regulations. Be aware that operating without a required DBA can lead to penalties, legal complications, or branding confusion. After your DBA filing is approved, you'll receive a certificate or acknowledgement from the county or state. This allows you to open a bank account, enter into contracts, and legally operate under your new name. If your state requires publication of your DBA in a local newspaper, make sure to complete this step and file proof of publication if needed. Store your approved DBA documents securely, as they may be required for licensing, banking, or compliance audits. If your business uses multiple names, you need a separate DBA for each one. For example, a bakery operating as Sweet Crumbs that expands into catering under Crumb Kitchen would need 2 separate DBAs. Each DBA requires its own filing, approval, and publication process, with fees applying separately. DBA filing costs vary by location. Filing fees typically range from $10 to $100, depending on the state and county. In states requiring newspaper publication, like California, those costs can range from $40 to $150. Many jurisdictions require renewal every 1 to 5 years, so check with your local agency for specific renewal frequencies. Failing to renew your DBA could result in its expiration, making the name available to others and potentially disrupting your business operations. Businesses file DBAs for several practical reasons. They allow you to operate under a new brand without forming a new entity, launch separate business lines using the same LLC or corporation, open business bank accounts under names other than your legal name, maintain privacy for sole proprietors who don't want to use their full legal name, and comply with state and local laws that may require a DBA when using any name other than your legal business name. When choosing a DBA name, consider several factors. Aim for uniqueness by avoiding names already registered in your state. Many states offer online databases for searching existing names. Ensure compliance by not including corporate suffixes like incorporated or LLC unless you're legally organized as such. Check for trademark conflicts by searching the USPTO trademark database before filing. And choose a descriptive name that clearly reflects your business activities to strengthen your marketing presence. The DBA filing process varies significantly by state. In California, for instance, a fictitious business name statement must be filed with the county clerk, where your principal place of business is located. Out-of-state businesses must file in Sacramento County. You must publish the DBA name in a general circulation newspaper once a week for 4 consecutive weeks, typically within 30 days of filing. Renewal is required every 5 years, or when business information changes. Other states may not require publication, or might have different renewal cycles, so always check with your local or state agency to ensure compliance. Understanding how to file for a DBA is crucial for business owners looking to operate under different names. While the process varies by state, it generally involves choosing a name, completing forms, paying fees, and sometimes publishing notices. A DBA offers flexibility in branding and operations without forming new legal entities, but provides no liability protection. By following the proper filing procedures and understanding the limitations, you can effectively use a DBA to expand your business presence while staying legally compliant.